The scheduled maintenance section in AssetWhere enables schools to easily track works that are being undertaken. So let's have a look. Come into AssetWhere and I'm selecting scheduled maintenance. And now I can see all of the maintenance that has been scheduled for all of the buildings in the school. And you can see there are multiple pages here. Then I can filter this and drill down into the Adams building. So I can see there's a number of scheduled work requests for air conditioning, drains, electric works. If I click on emergency and exit lights. So now what I can see is some key details. I want them to look for broken and damaged. I want them to check the lights are working, but at the same time, I want them to check that the evacuation plans are in the right locations. I've awarded this to the contractor, Core Vision. I can set a limit as to how much the works can be or cannot exceed. I can set it to be checked every quarter, and I can also include a checklist. So I can be going, are the lights working? Yes or no, etc. Any additional associated assets, and the best part is I also get the full work history that has been done in the Adams building here, and those that are in progress. Now, when I come back to the main page, I'm still on the Adams building, but this time I've got two additional views. I've got this calendar view. So it lets me step back a little bit and look at it month by month. And then I can cross-check against the school calendar because there might be scheduled works that are going to be undertaken during, for example, an exam period, which would be a real issue. When I come back to the main page here, I now can select Calendar Overview, and it overlays it on a sort of day by day, or we can do month, year, and so on. So it's a different way of viewing that key information, and then I can then click on these and it will take me into the actual scheduled piece of work. So I can get an overview of who's on site, when they're on site, and what this means is the property or business manager can be very proactive, track who's on site, who's not on site, and update details as required, all from the comfort of my own desk.